Elaboration is the layering of ideas between multiple people to create a new idea that you could never have expected, or you could never have done without multiple people's ideas together.
One person coming up with an idea, another person building on it, another person building on it.
And you're working in a little group, and maybe someone starts with the idea, and then I add an idea to that, and then they add an idea to that, and then she adds an idea to that, and we're elaborating on each other's ideas
To the point where it's not one person's idea, but it's all of our ideas together.
Not only that children are elaborating on each other's ideas, or adults are elaborating on each other's ideas, but you're elaborating together.
It's really important that adults elaborate with kids in design sessions, because kids may show you in their words and their actions why something is needed, but the way they may solve it is with an anti-gravity machine. Now, most of your technology companies love the idea of anti-gravity machines, but they're not there for an anti-gravity machine. It is with adults that can bring the context to more of a focus. I also think about why is it important for kids to elaborate with adults. And really what the kids are doing with the adults is really pushing them in terms of out of their box.
I wish the baby dinosaur would kiss the dragonfly. What do you think?
The dinosaurs eat dragons.
Oh, right. Maybe the dragonfly flies over and lands softly right on the baby dinosaur's back.